So here we are, it's late winter, we're getting ready, for the spring is right around the corner, and we're kind of thinking about our vegetable garden. So, what better way to get an early start on that is to take our raised garden beds and kind of convert it into a miniature greenhouse.
Yeah, and it really is pretty simple. What we did was we have this raised bed, and so we got this PVC from the local hardware store, and then we also put some stakes down, put some really heavy duty ones so that it'll hold with the wind, and you gently bend. Now be careful because this is going to be straight when you get it, and you want to gently bend it into this hoop. And if you give me a hand there, Ryan, and we're just going to slide it right on top of these stakes, okay?
And slide the other one in.
These are well-trained hoops.
Right, got our hoops, and then we can cover it with our plastic. So we picked up this hardware plastic at the hardware store. So it's a heavier, kind of a 6 mil plastic to act kind of like a greenhouse, and we use it clear, so let the light in. And you don't want to use the black because we need the
no, you
electricity. But then we'll get ready to cover this, and we'll show you how that all works.
All right.
So now that we have this all clipped and we've sealed in our raised bed, what this will do is allow the light and the sunshine to warm up the soils. And by having the warmer soils and that protected heat in there, it'll help the seeds germinate, or if we have new seedlings, it'll help those take root and get started and give us a jump start.
Yeah, and this isn't permeable. It's not going to get any rain in it, so you're going to have to check it and make sure you water it maybe about once a week. And on those warm sunny days that we have, make sure you open up the ends, or you can open up the side, and make sure you get a coolness in there, you get the wind going in there so that the plants are more happy.
And once we get through spring and the summer or the evening temperatures are warm enough that we're beyond the frosts, we can remove the plastic and save it for later. And then once again in the fall, when our temperatures start to drop again and you want to protect your end of the season harvest, you can put it back on to protect your plants.
This is a great little project to help you get a jump start on your summer vegetable garden.